Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Wednesday, June 28th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I like to do reminder videos on the nights that we have webinars because I know some people forget about them. Other people might not read their emails, and it's possible you never heard of Got Backup. And if that's the case, I'm inviting you to our Wednesday night cutoff webinar tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is with Joel, the owner and CEO, and Mike, he's the COO. It says, come meet our team, invite your pre-enrollees, and learn what makes Got Backup the go-to opportunity of 2023. Now, if you've never heard of Got Backup, all right, I'm going to show you the compensation plan really quickly. Your first month, you get paid 200% commissions up front, all right, and these vary, all right. They could be $25 all the way up to $80+, okay. That's the first month you're going to get 200% commissions of whatever your direct referral purchases. Then that is followed by 25% direct sale commissions for each of the following months after that, okay? You're also going to get a 25% check matching commission and up to 25% binary commissions, okay? It says direct sales and matching check commissions are both paid weekly. Binary commissions are paid monthly. We as a company make zero guarantees on income. All past and present results do not dictate future results. Results vary based on individual effort. I've been doing this a long time. I know I say it in a lot of my videos, but if you are willing to put in a little bit of effort, like an hour or two a day, you can turn this into a full-time income. All right? That's a guarantee. I can guarantee you that. If you're willing to put in the work and effort, spend at least an hour or two on this every single day and do income-producing activities, you can turn this into a full-time income. Okay? Now, of course, there's another earnings disclaimer down in the video description. As I just mentioned, you can't, nobody can guarantee your results because it's based on your work ethic. But the people that are putting in the work, the people that are showing up each day, spending an hour or two on this every single day, they're getting results. All right? And they're no different than me and you. Okay? So on Wednesdays, it's our cutoff night. All right, and basically what that means, this is your power line registration. So here are the other people that came in. These people registered before you based on the timestamp of their sign-up. Then here you are. The timestamp from your registration locks in your position. I'm going to show you how to do this in just a minute. And then you have the others. Everyone else that registers after your timestamp will fall below you. Now, everyone in the power line has until Wednesday at midnight to upgrade to a Got Backup $9.97 a month data protection plan. And then it says all who upgrade will remain in the Got Back power line until every Wednesday at midnight. All paid upgraded members will be moved over to the Got Backup commission matrix. So what this means is if you have pre-enrolled or you haven't pre-enrolled yet, the quicker you do so and then upgrade, the better spot you're going to have in our matrix. Okay? So as I mentioned, your first month you're going to collect 200% in commissions. You can have unlimited direct referrals. All right? And this can go infinite depth. All right, so some people are down on 100+ levels deep already in this company. So on month one, you'll make a full 200% on all your direct referrals. Following months, you collect 25% from your directs and 25% matching checks. So let's just show you this example here. You're going to get 25% direct commission. So let's just say, for example, your regular monthly commissions are $1,000. All right, now you're going to collect 25% matching checks on all your direct sales. So, for example, the total amount of sales made by your direct referrals is $1,500. You would receive 25% of that monthly, making your monthly commissions a whopping $1,000, all right, your original $1,000, and then $375, which is 25% of the $1,500, for a total of $1,375 a month. And then we have our binary commissions. And I've done videos on this before, but basically to create a cycle, you need 4 people on your power leg, whether they're direct or indirect, it doesn't matter, and 2 on your weak leg. Once you do that, it creates a cycle, and when you create a cycle, you get paid for that cycle depending on what the company brings in for profits. All right, they take up to 25% of their monthly profits and distribute that out into the binary commissions. So this is an excellent opportunity. It doesn't matter if you've never heard of network marketing. It doesn't matter if you're a seasoned pro. Anybody can make this work simply because we have a digital product that anybody with a cell phone, a laptop, a desktop, or a tablet can use. And currently there's close to 7 billion smartphones in circulation around the world today. So it's a global opportunity. Anybody with a cell phone can use this. You're going to back up all of your important photos, videos, files, whatever you have that's important to you. You're going to back it up, save it. You don't have to ever worry about losing it. If something happens to your phone physically and they can't retrieve your data, you know that it's safe, okay? So this is a global opportunity. Again, tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have our Wednesday night cutoff webinar. If you have not heard about us, if you haven't pre-enrolled, click on the link down below. It'll take you over here to our tour page. It looks just like this. We have a 6-minute video right here. Then you simply enter your name, a valid email address, and click reserve my position now. Then you'll be able to see inside your back office and you can decide if this is something for you or not. Folks, this is going to be huge. There's going to be millionaires with this company made. The parent company has been in business for over 25 years. They are a debt-free company. They have their own data center in Schertz, Texas. It's a $10+ million facility, and everything about this company is top-notch, okay? So if you have any questions about any of this, leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you find value in any of my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. All right, I'll also put the link down below to our webinar tonight. It's gotbackupwebinar.com. It'll take you right over to our webinar at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I hope to see you there, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.